Hello guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. So today we're going to be looking at something super cool and slick. What are we going to be looking at? Very simple, right? I'm going to be showing you how you can convert a concept into reality, into the result you want. For example, this is this particular image straight out of camera, and this is the final result right here. So if you look at this image now, you'll be wondering, how did we come up with the background? Looking at it, how did we position the object to look so fine, so realistic and all of that? Owing to the fact that it is coming from this particular image right here. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily copy any style, transfer any style from any image into your image, combining just two tools. What are those tools? Your AI and your Photoshop. Let me show you our inspo. So this is our inspo right here. This is the inspiration. We are working with the background, the crew theme, the lighting and all of that. I want to transfer this particular style here. By the way, this is an amazing image we have right here. We want to transfer this style and put it over our own image. How do we do that? We're going to do that using something very simple, which is what we call prompts. All right, so we have an amazing prompt we already created. It's called a master prompt that can allow you to transfer any style to any image. All right, so this master prompt, we're giving it out in our master class, in our photo retouching and manipulation master class, which is coming up very soon. By the end of the video, I'm going to give you details on how to be part of that if you want to be part of that. And of course, you get this prompt. So moving forward, what I need to do is I need to make sure I have this particular image right here, and I have my inspo where I can find them. So I'll just drag it and place it over our Gemini AI. So we're using Gemini AI to create this particular one. This is my image and this is the inspo. Now, if you are using this particular prompt, you need to know this. It is very important that you upload your own image first, then upload your inspo second. Then once you do that, if you have copied your prompt, just paste it here. So I copied it, but it's obviously not in the nearest clipboard that I have. So I'm going to press Windows V to open my clipboard, and this is the prompt. If I click on it, it's going to load up. So if you look at the beginning phrase of this prompt, it says image 1 is main image, right? Main image, which means this is my main image right here, and this is my reference. So once you have that, drop your prompts and send it out. Very simple. Now, this is not going to take a lot of time. That is why we're actually using Gemini AI, because ChatGPT kind of delays a little bit, and sometimes it doesn't give me the result I want, but I prefer working with my Gemini. So once it's created, all we need to do is just to take it into Photoshop and do our final touch-up. Like I said, it is very simple. So as we're waiting for it, let me give you this particular gist very fast. Our photo retouching and manipulation masterclass is coming up real quick, very fast. And this particular July edition, we are in collaboration with Kumu. What that simply means is that Kumu is going to be giving you what is it called? They are going to be selecting 10 random participants and give them loads of free credits. Trust me, you are going to love it. So if you want to stand a chance to win that particular one and be part of those selected 10 people, you have to quickly register for our photo manipulation and retouching masterclass for just 5,500 naira. That should be somewhere around $3.5 $4 if you are not in Nigeria. But if you are in Nigeria, it's just 5,500 naira. If you are interested, go to the comment section and comment "I'm interested." We'll send you the details on how to be part of it. So our image is generated. So if you look at our image, you look at our reference, you look at what we have. So if I come over here and click on download, wait for it. It's downloaded. We'll click over here and it opens. Now the next thing we need to do is that we need to take this into our Photoshop. Remember, we already loaded our original image in Photoshop. If I skipped that part, it is very important that you load the original image into your Photoshop firsthand and keep it there before you start your generation. The reason we are going to do that is that we'll just place this over our main image and it's going to fit in perfectly, right? If it fits in perfectly, if I zoom in, you are going to notice that in as much as it still looks like the same person, but we are losing her face. And if your own doesn't fit in exactly, because I'm noticing a little shift. One of the ways you can know if it fits in perfectly is to change your blend mode to difference. So now that I changed my blend mode to difference, I'm realizing that it is not fitting in so perfectly. There is a little space at the head. So I'll just drag my generated image up. What I'm doing is I'm making sure that all those lines are gone as much as they can, like this. Then press enter, go back to your normal blend mode. So if I now do before and after, you notice that that movement in the body is no longer as strong as it was. All I need to do now is also create a mask for it. Very important. Create a mask for it. Pick up your brush, go close, and just bring out your original face. Because 80% of the time it might get blurry and it might of course not give it the original person you gave it. But with this particular technique, you can always have your original person, always have your skin texture, and still maintain a very clean result. So all I need to do now is just to remove my Gemini logo. Then I can go back into my camera raw filter and just do few magics over there and see what we can do. So we can increase our highlights or decrease just a little, add a little bit of more contrast, lift our shadows a bit, and maybe I will increase my vibrance a little to make sure things get very warm. Yeah, a little bit of the magenta-ish. Yeah, this is beautiful. Press OK, and we'll have it elevated. That is just simply how you do it. You do not need to stress so much. We do not need to do so much. All you need to do is to have the right prompt, have your right reference image, have your right image, upload it, generate your image, bring it back into Photoshop, place it over with mask, and restore your original details back, and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. To make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you subscribe, click on the notification bell to get notified every single time we drop a new video. Now, before I leave you, if you are interested in being part of our photo manipulation and retouching masterclass, if you are this part of this video, then you're already on your journey to growth. Go to the comment section, comment interested. We'll send you the details on how to register and become part of this great, amazing opportunity. Thank you so much. Make sure that you follow us. We'll not see you on the next one.